Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and opening the right menu. Back up any important data, because changing system UI elements can be disruptive. Once done, grant special access if prompted so customization works properly. Then go straight to Settings and tap Control Center and Notification Center. You choose the Control Center style here. This is the first actionable choice that determines available customization options, so pick the layout you want before proceeding to edit tiles and quick actions. Now you customize tiles and layout. You enter edit mode by tapping Edit or long pressing a tile. This reveals drag handles and adds /remove controls. Drag tiles to reorder them and remove anything you don't use. To add new functions, tap the plus icon and choose Quick Actions. If you need a custom toggle the system lacks, consider a trusted third-party tile app, but be cautious with permissions. Make sure to test each tile so you understand how the layout affects one-handed use and visibility. Finish by saving your layout and testing every quick action to confirm they work as expected. If changes don't appear right away, restart the system UI via developer options or reboot the phone. That usually forces the new layout to load. If tiles malfunction, clear the settings or system UI cache, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip: reset app preferences before a full reset. You preserve data, but resolve common permission or tile conflicts without losing accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.